Okay, guys, Keith Renz here again. Okay, so in the previous video, we talked about what indicators are. We talked about how you can use them and how you can apply them. So just to remind you what they are, they are to help us predict the future, like what will happen in the future. Okay, so this is actually a course on my website. It's actually free. You can register for free. You can get a certificate for free. Okay, I'm offering this course completely free along with my other courses. So if you're watching this from YouTube, just click the link in the description there and enroll in my courses and start learning right away. It's also free. If you have someone who wants to learn, you can share the link and help out a brother or a sister. Okay, so now let's get started. In this video, or in this lesson, I want to talk about types of charts and what charts are. So what we are looking at right now is actually a chart. Okay, let me make it a bit big. Okay, okay, it's now large. Okay, so this is a chart, and there are a lot of types of charts, and so I'll share with you what I'm currently using. So, by the way, if you don't know what this is tradingview.com. It's not a trading platform, it's just a place or platform where you can analyze the market, test out many things, use some charts and other things, and do some your research and so on. And it's a good place, like if you work to explain to someone what this is and is without having to open a demo account here. So this is TradingView. Of course, you're going to go to the real trading platforms like MT454 and Echo Option and so on later on. But this is actually for teaching purposes. So make sure that you enroll in the courses and never miss anything. Okay, so now let's get started. Yeah, there are a lot of types of charts. Okay, there are the first one I'll talk about is bars. Okay, so these are bars. And I don't recommend anyone using them. As you can see, they're hard to predict. If They're hard to predict, like what will happen, like if it will be an uptrend or downtrend, or to go down or to go up. Okay, so the other one which is there is candles, what others call candlesticks or Japanese candlesticks. So these are the best, and everyone uses these. I'm sure everyone who might know uses this. In fact, let me just say the whole world uses this. Okay, so candlesticks are best and they're easy to master, and there are a lot of candlestick patterns which you have to learn. Although I want to go deeper into what candlesticks are, explaining the patterns, because those patterns can't guarantee you that if you master this will be the outcome. No. Yeah, there are some of the patterns maybe are 70% correct. It's not always that if this and this happens, this and this will happen. Yeah. So just a matter of having an experience in trading. Okay, so these are candlesticks, and these are the ones I recommend everyone using. The others are okay. These hollow candles that you won't find them in trading platforms. It's only here, but you can customize them in MetaTrader 5 or 4 or whichever platform you are using. Okay, then there's this one called Hurricane Ash. Hurricane Ash is more like the smooth candlesticks. This one is clearly shows you the uptrends and the downtrends. Clearly shows you like when it was going up and when it was going down. As you can see, it looks nice here and it's making sense. You can even tell like, okay, actually here it was a long uptrend, here it was a down uptrend. In case you're not seeing what I'm talking about, like, okay, I'm just feeling this to draw these lines. Yeah, as you can see, it was a downtrend. Um, and this was an uptrend. Like, these things they clearly show you what's happening around here. So the other chart type is the lines. I don't know if there's someone who uses lines. Okay, so they're not making sense. So okay, I'm running out of time. Okay, at least you've gotten the idea. Okay, about types of charts. There are a lot of type of charts you can check around and play around and see which one works best for you. But I advise you to use candlesticks. Yeah. So make sure you enroll in my course. Learn more. Feel free to contact me and comment. If you're watching this from YouTube, make sure that you subscribe. Bye bye for now.